called us and said that their apples were ready and they had an abundance. I don't know the specific variety of apples that these are, but there's quite a few of them. Our plan today is to turn these into dried apples and applesauce and maybe some apple butter. We have found a recipe that we want to use from this book. It's an older book from, I think, published in 1981, and it looks like somebody bought it for $1.50 back in that day. We have looked inside and have found a recipe that we want to use from this book.